between Noila and broiler, which one grow faster and which one give more money? Which one grow faster? I like using experiment to teach. You see, these two birds are Noilers. You see them? Noilers. This Noila, this broiler. Noila, broiler. The same day. Now that the Noila and broiler are not of the same size. They were hatched on the same day, but the growth is not the same. So broiler grows faster than the Noila. These birds were hatched from the same incubator on the same day, the same time. They are feeding from the same place, drinking the same water. You see how I did the experiment for you now, for you to know, because I always experiment things. You see, they are growing the same day, the same water, the same food, the same condition, but no matter what you do, the broiler always grow faster. So that is it. Broiler always grow faster. No matter the breed, even the lowest breed of broiler grow faster than Noila. Get weight more than the Noila. No matter the condition, no matter what you do, they grow. These two birds I showed you now, they are for practical, they are for question like this. That's why we keep these birds. We had them sometimes, we keep this one separately. We feed them separately for research. So you see that there is no, these two, you have seen this now. So, between Noila and broiler, which one grow faster and which one give more money? Which one give more money? Broiler and the Noila, which one give more money? Based on my experience, broiler give more money. Why? Because broiler is for short period of time. Some people will tell you that Noila give them more money, but professionally it is not good. It's not. Because do you know why they say so? Because most of all these people you see, they don't calculate the cost of managing those birds for the period of time. They don't calculate it. They only put the number of, maybe some don't even keep an accurate record. They don't even keep record at all. You don't know that even ordinary pure water you give somebody in your farm there is part of the business. Anything you spend from that farm is from the business. But some people, they don't even keep the record of drugs. It's only when the drug is too expensive. Please, they don't even keep the record of the medication. It's only when the medication is too expensive, that's when they keep record. But if it is cheap, all this 100 naira, 200, they don't keep record. So many people don't keep record. Some people use poultry to save their money. So that when the money comes, it comes in bulk. They will be trusting that they have made profit. So go there, they are not. If you ask them, so I call somebody. He said, I made some amount of, I said profit. I was laughing. He said, in which he said he has. So I said, okay, so let us calculate it. The person came. We sat down. I said, okay, tell me how many bags of feed you bought. He finished at the end of the thing. I not table it. See, can you see I've made profit? I said, okay, now. How many months did you rear this bird? He said 3 months. I said, okay, good. I said, you as the person managing I said, how many staff do you have? He said, I don't have any staff. I was feeding them with my family. I said, okay, good. So let's take it that you are the only one. You are the only person. Let's forget about your family now. Let's assume one person can handle it. He say, yes, okay. So I say, okay, good. Say, what is your salary? How much is your, let's deduct your salary from this particular, because some of them, because they, after feeding them, they go out and come back, and even they feed them again. They don't know that that bird need to pay them money. Even if it's half day, even if it's half day they are spending, that bird need to pay them money. They don't deduct all those management expenses. That's why they say they're making profit. Have you seen it now? So Noila takes long to grow, up to 6 months. That's when you get a very good weight Noila. I have them here. I think I will use some of them to make some. Listen, 6 months is when you get a very good weight with good feeding pattern. That's when you get a very good weight from 6 weeks upward and 6 months upward. But Noila, within 5 weeks, 6 weeks, 8 weeks, they're off. So when you deduct the amount of time you spend, assuming you're paying somebody salary, it's only 2 months salary you pay the person. But this Noila, you pay somebody money for complete 6 to 7 months before you sell it. And when you sell the Noila, the amount of money you sell them is not as high. But they almost eat the same food. You see this particular one now, you can see that this one is eating the same food with the other ones. Even at times, when we give them food, because most of the times I watch all these things to gather a lot of research work. So when they are eating, this one even eat faster. You see this one pushing the broilers to eat faster than them. But this one, upon what they eat, they will still grow bigger than the Noila. So they eat the same food. They're eating the same food, just like turkey. I think I will make video on turkey also. Yeah, maybe as you are hearing their sound. Turkey, heritage turkey and imported turkey. the one you call broiler turkey, some people call it broiler turkey. They eat the same food, but this one will gather weight. The highest weight turkey we have here now is 10 kg. But the heritage one, you see some 40 kg. They are eating the same food, the same plate, the same pen. The service will give them the same service, but this one grow faster because of their genetic pattern. Their pattern is different, so they can't grow. They can't be the same. Please, what is your opinion about this particular topic? Drop it on the comment section, and let's continue from there. Make sure this video reach other farmers that may be of need of this kind of question. Thank you. Let's meet on the comment section. Tell me your opinion about this particular topic and let's discuss it more.